Welcome back, everyone. So I'm going to resume coding the parser for my new parser generator language. Okay. I hope my music is not too loud. Okay. So last place we left off. Oops. We started coding the abstract syntax tree. Okay. So action is identifier equal option. And then the option can be a series, only one of these, series one of that. Okay. Now, series is a list of units. So a unit can be a string identifier. A unit can be a group. Before I even do anything here, let me test the syntax. So this is working, right? If I have, let's do A equal B, that should work as well. Let's see. Well, but a unit can be an identifier. I'm confused. But a unit can be an identifier, so why that fail? Oh, is that why? This is why. Because that's like that. Right? So it's capturing these, and then it captures this. So this error message it's not clear, you know. If I go back, fail at 2-1, so fail at this position. So what I forgot is this semicolon, but I didn't put it in the syntax. So if I go like this, so let's put it there. So we need a semicolon here. Okay, let's generate that. recompile. Oops, and run. Okay, so we are now doing it with the semicolon. This is weird because I'm getting the action right here, right? And then right here, it's giving me identifier by itself. And then series by itself. When it should be under action. Which is, I don't get that. Shouldn't this be looping through? And it should be failing because I don't know, like I guess my original version does have some kind of bugs. No, actually it does fail because it fails here. I see what it did. So it parses these, right? And then it fails. So it's saying it doesn't match any syntax. And I say, okay, this begins with that begins with that. But what it really should have done, it should have said, okay, we're looking for the syntax action. So it's a limitation in the language. So I have the entry point as action, and what it should be doing after it passed the first action, it should be go back and look for another action, because that's how it works for the tokens. I only write the tokens once, and it goes through and parse all the tokens and keep looking for tokens until the entire text is done. It should be doing that, but it looked like I never set it up to do that. So I have to do something like this. I'm going to call this program, and I'm going to call it the Parser program. And I'm going to say 0 or more action, right? And I'm going to put program as the entry point, and I believe this will fix the issue. So let us generate and compile, clear the screen, and go. That does not fix the issue. And there's a bug because now you see there is a duplication. Wow, I never came across this before. I'm also missing this. I know it works. Okay, let me put it back to what it was. Remove program. See if it works. Let's see if what I interpret initially was incorrect. Yeah, it was incorrect. So it should work like this, and it does work like this. But poor error message, because what it does, it parses this and it parses this by it's like it's parsing this like an action, but it doesn't store it as an action because it doesn't see this part. So it's like I think I was implementing something and it just didn't go right. The error message is really bad. Alright. Okay, well, let us make the most of it. So we have two actions now. One identifier, and then identifier. Okay. Didn't I have something where like I think in my old version I was implementing something where I could like rename, but I don't think I went through with it. I have a vague memory of a feature, but I think it was an experimental feature, and I never actually went through with it. Because what I wanted to do, I wanted to rename this to like name or label, and then rename this to like reference or whatever. I will just have to work with what I got. Okay. Now I want to do something like this, which is a group. All right. So let's do that. Keep forgetting this. I think our group is simply going to be this an option. And this can carry a group. But the problem is, oh, interesting. Okay, that works. That works. Okay. So we'll add group. Okay, so let's look at the directive function. Let's call it directive function call, right? Right. First function is character. I'm gonna put it here, directive function call. And card. Interesting. Actually, no. Reason why let's see, action. It's an OP call. Guys, if you don't understand what's going on, just message in the chat. If I see it, no message, I'll try to I'll stop and explain anything. Alright, so OP call, then is call, right? is called it's gonna be what is um curve quotes absolutely matters, and is gonna be item. So let's say call it comparable item, and this is gonna be identifier or string. So this is gonna be a comparable item, which is 0 or 1 comparable item, and 0 or more comma followed by comparable item. I mean, I think kind is going to use the same. Not is going to use the same. So I think I should create an action comparable item para, and do this. Oh, frig. Sorry guys, that was exhaustion. Okay. Because I did that because not it's gonna use the same thing is it's not call. I think not call. A lot of them gonna use the same thing. Yes, still. Okay, to num. Okay, so not is the same thing. Kind is the same thing. Text is going to be wonder if I should have the text. I'm thinking of scrapping this one. I think I'm gonna scrap that one. Len. Nothing to know. empty. Okay, empty, and those are the type of call. So that's gonna go to up call, operative call. And a search for group should have 0 or 1. Then should have this. Should have in between. Should be in between. It would be a list, right? Yes, so it would be hold on a second. This has to be at least one. Yeah. Okay. I didn't put look ahead yet. Okay. So I did card call. Cool. So we're gonna do action. Let me see. Okay, I guess I'll do that. Look ahead call. It's gonna be look ahead. Up call. Okay, all of this. Okay. Order. One off. One off. Order car and then strip. Just realizing something. This is optional. It's the same thing for identifier. There's another thing. I can chain them, right? I'm gonna say, okay, let's see. I can say, okay, is that? But if I'm checking if it's something. Okay, so no chaining. That's it. But like identify a car, right? We also have a variable store. Um, the clarifier is one of the variable type, which would be val or val. Oh, I still have numval, right? Or did I cancel it? I know I said I'll get rid of some. It's in other. Yeah, this is to get rid of, but maybe I still numval because what if I want to store like the length in a variable? Okay, I'm going to keep numval. I'm thinking numval, right? And I'm thinking instead of calling this parval, right? I call it textval. You know what? Hmm. What I call this, I was thinking of calling it set file. Oh, like something called text set, like text value, text set. Yeah, that works. Cool. declare var, var store. Of action, declare var statements, declare var. I think I'm just gonna put there, and then it can have like an assignment. And might just make it be like you can have text file, identifier, optionally an equal sign, and a string literal. Close it that. Literally the same thing but with text set. And finally numval but with a number. It's a variable store. Interesting. So this oh don't when I have a group call, yeah, because can do a group and check if it's is, so you have in between is okay. Huh. Let's call this unit then. Well, I'm looking at something right now, like um interesting. I think I should rename this, right? And call this function call. At first, at first, yeah. Look ahead. Order. One off. String. Identifier. Group. Now, that goes with. Wait a minute. Okay, this followed by upcall. So get rid of these. So okay, so a unit is a function call. Okay. So let's get rid of unit and call it function calls. Or keep unit. Let's see, function call. And then where I'm saving it, so I have to save function call, but then I'm going to save all the function calls. So action, let's call it spiral. Trying to give it good naming. Um, Group. And function call. Oops. That kind clicks. Then 29. Yeah. Scholars declare statement. Um, Scholars declare. It's just scholars declare. Scholars store. Just store. Okay. Let's see if there's any errors. So there's an error. As you can see, failed generation. 124 action error, syntax unexpected action. Sorry, Which where again? 124. So that 124. Why? Because let me come out of modifier 124. So it means I forgot something. Oh, right here. Where this came from? It should be first. Okay. Let's do this again. 137. So 137. Error, syntax error, unexpected dot, expecting dot, or dot 137. Okay. Yeah, I miss this. $154. This. Okay. So it says it generated, but it's warning me that text is not used and declare statement is not being used. So let's fix those. I thought I'm using declare statement. Well, I'm using it. Oh, I'm not using it because I'm not calling it anywhere. Yeah. Action. Statement. And what was the other one? Oh man, did I close the thing? My goodness, what silliness did I do? Text. There we go. Completed. Okay. Now it's failing to analyze tokens. One. Why is failing? Interesting. Opinions right there. Let's try do it alone. See what happens. Bugs. It's failing. So this is compiling, but it's failing. Some. So I think I know. Basically, something not parsing as expected. But the error message is extremely poor. Because what would have been useful would be like maybe like a trace that show me, okay, oh, like each of what I'm parsing, each possible option and why it failed. Okay, that is a very good idea. I'm gonna write that down. Okay, now I need to figure out where that is going. I do have a log feature though. Let me see. Don't I have a log feature? Yeah, but it's not available in the UI. It's only available in the source code where I switch on the log version. I should have made it available in the UI where I can click log and it just logs. It would help me to understand. Maybe it would have helped me. So we know that its action is gonna parse. Declare statement is not gonna parse because declare statement looks for these keywords which are not in there. So we know that its action is going to parse. So action, let's go. So action looks for identifier, which parse, looks for this, looks for this, looks for this. Did those parse? Yes, they did, right? So action, it goes, then it looks for option. Then option looks for series. Then series look for unit. And unit calls function call, right? Oh, I found it. Found it. Right there. Oh, what did I didn't even generate it. There we go. There we go. Let's call it unit. No. So if I did something like this and I say, okay, is cat. Ah. Okay. It's another thing I need. Don't need this. Uh, I would want this to be a child of that. Um, the only way to do it. The only way I can get this the way I want it is if I change this to is called. It's the only way. No, this is confusing. Ah, damn, because that is no longer like string call like it is possible. Ah, because if I change this to the problem is this is so challenging. I'm trying to get the abstract syntax tree to be as easy for me to manipulate. Why I don't get anything? Ah, that's why. But that's wrong, isn't it? Oh, I see. Oh, wait a minute. Is there an is call? But is there a string? There's not a string call, right? Because I removed it. I removed it for this. Yeah, I'm gonna need to put that shit back. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Because of how primitive this parser generator is. I have to do it this way so that I can have a simple abstract syntax tree. I don't mind the abstract syntax trees. There's not much I can do to make it simple. It's going to be complicated because of how primitive the parser generator is, but I can reduce the complication as much as possible. All right. Now this is going to change to okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create, see. I'm just going to create No, we can't win this. I'm sorry. I can't do. I'm not gonna do it. All of this crazy ring my own just to try to get one thing. So I got the unit. It looks like I can drop unit. So let's drop unit. Yeah, I'm just gonna work with this. It's gonna generate a lot of unnecessary because I would unnecessary nodes because I would want to move this node here. Don't generate this node and move this the sibling of this node here. And I wish I could have just say okay string and then I could say okay is and put like a child say is and then a child under that to say cat. So those kind of manipulation is a type of manipulation I need to be able to do for me to consider this parser generator a great parser generator. Okay. I think that's good so far. I can parse this should give me error, right? Like no chaining. No chaining is supported right now. And I don't think I'm going to support chaining at all. Because if I parse, right? And I have a result and I check if the result is cat, that's true. But it does not make sense that I check the result is not something, right? Because if I check if it is something versus it's not something, they're both at the same time. It's like it don't make any sense to chain that. And yes, I'm not gonna support chaining. Maybe in a future iteration might make sense to change some features. But for now, nope. Yeah, I think I will save more work for another time. Let's see. Okay. Save for parsing. I didn't implement this yet. Let's go. Nice, all of this sparse. So we got action identifier key. All right. Series identifier call identifier. Then action identifier value series car call. Then it saves car. Oh, we don't need to save that then. Yes, so we don't need to save. We don't need to save these guys. Car one off order and look ahead. We don't need to save these guys, so. Ooh, this is tired. I ain't lying, bro. I'm tired. So for, let's see. Value, car series call, then we'll have not. You see, we'll have not, right? This should be like, let's see, isn't there a not call? Yeah, there's not even an is. Should be not call, kind call. Is there an in-between call, by the way? No. There should be an in-between call. Yes, I definitely don't think I need in-between, but I need in-between call. And oh, I see. Yeah, I need to create an in-between call. And yeah. in between call, which is gonna be in between. Yeah. Okay, I think this probably give me a good one. And there you go, card call, and they call a not call, and then under the not call is the identifier new line, string that, identifier end of line. EOF is not an identifier. EOF is EOF is a keyword, which is end of file. Got to get my money up. Yeah, wow, this is extremely tiring. Okay, so so far it's not showing the AO line, and that's because I did not put it in this. So let's put it somewhere near the top. Here it is, end of file. Okay. And the next one, action identifier. The next one is comment. It does have some series, two series. First is string call, then it's card call, and then not call, then identify new line and end of file. And the last one is identify new line and then series and then what, group call. It is completely unnecessary. Like group is unnecessary because if all right, let's stay group call group, and then you have the two groups. All right, looks good. I think this is a good place to call it a break. So I'm pretty much parsing these successfully. I forgot to add these, so I need to update it to be able to parse these. And then I can update it to have the lexer. Then I can update it to have the token. Then I can update it to have the analyzer and the syntax. And I think truly everything is good. Oh, I need to update it also to support the these guys. So all of that can be done tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. So yeah. Thank you for joining the stream, guys, and do have a great day.